but we will be part of this memorable celebration. We, together, we will make this event lively, fun, and engaging with your host, Julie, the most Julian host from the South, Chanel Murray! Muli, bago po natin welcome ang ating bagong kasal, I would like first to check the energy of our beautiful guest for today. Once again, so magsigaw po palakpakan naman dyan! And I saw yung palakpak po natin, parang gutom na po tayo. But at this point, let us show our love sa ating bagong kasal by giving out our best energy. You know what? The best gift that you can give to Mr. and Miss Karaan, wala na pong iba kundi yung ating participation. So today's celebration, bawal po ang hashtag KJ. Ito pong kasalan po na to ay kanilang sobra pong pinag-ipunan at pinaghirapan. But in return of that, for our best guest for today, kung sino po yung mag-i-stand out, will receive a 5K. Just be the best guest today and you will receive a 5K. And for our minor prizes, meron po tayong special gift sa ating iba pa pong guest. Just be the best guest today and you will receive a 5K. So once again, let us show our love and support for Mr. and Mrs. Kanaan by giving out our best energy. So muli, everybody, sumalabas na! Palakpakan naman dyan! Okay, ganito po yung ating gawin. Hatiin po natin sa long team. This side will be the team A and this side will be the team B. Kung sino po yung team na may pinakamalakas na cheer, kayo po ang unang kakain. And yung team naman po na may pinakamahinang cheer, kakain po kayo around 9 p.m. So kidding aside, let me have first the energy of our team A. Isigaw po natin kung gaano po natin kamahal ang ating bagong kasal. So team A, this side. Everybody, sumunod sa point para nagkitang! Engage! Grabe naman pagmamahal yun. Pati na po medyo konti lang po kayo dito, but it seems like you are 200 guests here. Pero how about this side? Parang higit po yung pagmamahal nyo at wag po kayo magkakatalo. So Team B, show your energy! Grabe namang energy yan. Pero alam ko kung may mas itataas pa po yan. Once again, let us show our love by giving out our best energy. Muli, Team